Hi, I'm Andrew Hernandez. I'm 18 and I was having pain in my wrist, and now I no longer have any pain. I was having pain here in my wrist. I play baseball and it was mostly when I would hit. Very little when I would lift, but mostly when I would hit and go like that. And then so that's why I decided to come, and now it doesn't hurt at all anymore. And before it was pretty bad when it would hurt. I mean, I just wanted to see if the pain ever went away by itself, which I guess it didn't, and then so I ended up coming here to see if it got better. Basically being able to bat fine without having it in the back of my mind and being insecure about whether it would hurt more or keep continuing to hurt. I tried rest for a couple weeks and it still didn't get better after that, so then I came to therapy. It's great now. I have no more pain, and I'm feeling perfectly fine. I don't feel like it'll hurt again in the future. So I guess the friendliness, everyone here is very, very nice, and they treat you with good care, and you'll be good. It was a pleasant one. It wasn't a burden to come here. It just felt good to come, and I looked forward to getting better, and I did. So.